Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am back and today we're going to talk about what kombucha is. So our last video we did how to make kombucha and I realized that not a lot of people know what it is. So I'm here to let you know. Let us begin. So kombucha originated in Eastern Asia and it's been there for a while, like years and years and years. And now it's gaining popularity in the US for its health benefits. So that's what we're going to talk about here. So the process of kombucha is, as you saw in my last video, all you need is a SCOBY, which is the yeast and bacteria, the thing that everyone said was nasty. And you need the sugar and you need tea. So the process, how it works, is the yeast feeds on the sugar and it makes alcohol. And then the bacteria feeds on the alcohol and make acetic acid. So this process is kind of similar to making vinegar, like the same type of fermentation as that. So it is a fermentation process and that's how you get the benefits of the kombucha. I saw a lot of articles online that say that kombucha is good for weight loss, for obesity, reducing cholesterol, preventing cancer, and all of that great stuff, and it sounds amazing. But when I actually did, I looked at research articles, peer-reviewed articles, and those claims are not supported by any of that for now. So maybe more research has to be done, but I don't think anybody should rely on those claims as of yet. So just hold those aside and pretend like they're not there. So what it does give you is probiotics, which is really good. So probiotics you can get from Greek yogurt and other places, but it's really cool that you can get them from kombucha as well. And what probiotics are is just like a fancy packaged word for the good bacteria. So there is good and bad bacteria, and we often think of bacteria as always bad and we want to get rid of it and all that stuff, but there is good bacteria and it lives in your gut. So these little bacteria are really important for your health, and there's more and more research in nutrition that tells you that these bacteria affect not only your health, but also there is a correlation between your gut bacteria and anxiety and depression, which is really interesting. So it's really important to keep your gut healthy and the bacteria in it healthy. And you can do that multiple ways. And one way is eating a lot of vegetables, and the other word would be prebiotics, and these are foods that stimulate your gut to produce the good bacteria. So the probiotics is the actual bacteria, and prebiotics is foods that stimulate that reaction in your gut. So that is what kombucha can bring to you, and it's really awesome. Another great benefit of it is if you drink a lot of soda, and this can be like a good alternative because it is carbonated, so you can kind of substitute the soda for kombucha. Remember that you're only drinking 4 ounces a day and not more. So there you have it. That is one really amazing and proven fact and benefit of kombucha. That is really something great. I just want you guys to always focus on the facts when you hear something or something new comes out, because kombucha is pretty new here and I didn't even know about it before until I started seeing it more and more in the market, and my sister bought it and I tried it and I hated it at first, but then when I read about it I was like, okay, I can like it. I can like this. I hope that you want to try it, or maybe you can buy it from a store to try it out, or if you watch my video right here, it'll tell you step-by-step process of how to make kombucha. When you make it, it's 7 to 10 days to ferment. So if you leave it, the less you leave it, the less acidic it is, and the more you leave it, the more acidic it is. So depending how you want it, the less time that you leave it is also, it's going to be sweeter. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope you enjoyed my kitty in the background here. Have a great day and see you next time. Hey guys, so I want to do like a little intro. So this right here is my cat, Kit Kat. I've had him since he was 2 months old. No, I've had him since he was 2 weeks old, and he's 7 years old now. And he's such an amazing good boy. Look at him. Oh my baby. So I just wanted to introduce you guys.